Presenting the 2013 Hyundai Sonata. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, alloy rims, an alarm system, keyless entry, power mirrors, traction control, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find heated seats, front airbags, side airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, a trip computer, an MP3 player, anti-theft system, air conditioning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."